For today's game, we are going to do a little ball drop. We're going to put some little ping pong balls or bouncy balls, whatever you have, into your top cup. The point is you have to bend it over, get it into your bottom cup. We have 4 balls each. First person to do it will be the winner. To create our little hats, I just put some curling ribbon like you would get from the party store. Did some little notches into a plastic cup, and then we're just going to simply put it over the head and tie it on, and then we'll be all set to go. Okay. Oh, you lost your ball. Okay, we are both set for round 1. On your mark, get set, drop. Round 2. Round 3. Round 4. Oh, so close.
Again. I need to be closer.
Okay, round 5. Let's say you can hold your cup so it doesn't get knocked over. Ready, set, drop.
I was so close.
Ready, set, drop. Finally, I got one. Ready,
It's gonna be there.
set, drop. No. Oh, you were so close, Cam.
It's gonna be there.
Ready, set,
Yeah!
nice job. Ooh.
I need to hold it in the same spot.
You just try and repeat it exactly? Here we go. Oh, good job! So Cameron is up 2-1. Next up. Ah! So close!
I hit the corner.
I know, we both got it right at the edge. You ready? Mark, get set, drop. Good job. Ah! Alright, this could be the winning point. Cameron may make it. Ready, set, go. Oh, ready, set, go. Got it! Oh, yours went in. There just wasn't room for it.
Yeah.
I think that is the winner. High five. Well, you definitely got it. So Cameron is our big winner. Nice job. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. If you want to enjoy more family games, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can check out our future family fun. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.